Now let's go to the General Contractor login. Log in as a General Contractor. On clicking the Pay application, we see that there is a Pay application with the status as Approval Pending, which is submitted by the subcontractor Max, and approver is the General Contractor. We can also see in the notifications that the Pay app is awaiting approval, and clicking on the notification navigates us to that particular Pay app. So let's click on this particular Pay app to open in, and we can see that the approval is pending, and that we can choose either of the options available. We can either approve, unlock, or reassign the specific approval to a different user from the project card. As a general contractor, we can now scroll down and see the submitted values. Here in this case, we can see that the total pay-up submitted is for $33,400 with a retainage of $3,340, and the balance to finish is $187,600. If the contractor is happy with the values, he can go ahead and directly approve it, or he can unlock the divisions. In this case of the demo, let us go ahead and unlock the divisions. This will unlock the divisions for the contractor to resubmit the values. Now, to unlock the division, you got to add a note for the reason why you're unlocking the division. I'm just going to add in for demo purposes a note saying, please change the values, seems greater than the work completed, and I click confirm. Automatically, the divisions are unlocked and the comment has been sent across. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the subcontractor login and open the notification, and there's a notification that says G703 rejected. I'm going to click on that notification, and it's directly going to reroute us to the same G703 that we were working on. All you have to do is click on the Edit G703 option, select the specific SOV, and proceed. Now, if you notice, you will have the option to edit the values that you had added in earlier. So now, because the comment says that the values look higher than the work completed, I'm just going to go ahead and make a little changes here. I've changed it to 25% from 30 and to 40% from 50%. Going to take a look at the rest of it and click on Resubmit, and automatically you would see that the G703 has been resubmitted. Now I'm just going to go ahead and proceed with assigning the approver and clicking on Confirm. It's submitted for approval and G702 is generated. So now let's go back to the General Contractor view. Now that we're in the General Contractor view, open the Notification Center and look at the latest notification, and you'll see that the G703 approval is pending. Now all you have to do is click on that notification and it redirects you to the pending task. Pay App 001 is resubmitted for approval by Max Ferraro, and we can see that the status reflects as resubmitted. Now, if we are happy with the values, we can approve it, or we can again unlock the pay application. In this case, let's say that we are happy with the values because the contractor has reduced his period value and all the subdivisions. Let's go ahead and approve the G702. Let's say approved and click on confirm. Now we can see that the status has changed to signature pending. That means the G702 has been approved. Now let's see how to approve or reject a change request in the next video.